Hello everyone. Did you know your phone keeps a hidden list of all applications you have ever installed, even the deleted ones? So, hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find out deleted apps on Android smartphone. So let's begin. So firstly, go to Play Store and go to the profile icon. Now go to Manage Apps and Device. Now go to Manage and tap here on this device. Now select not installed. So these are the list of all the applications I have previously installed. From here you can see the applications that you have previously installed and removed it from your device. So this is how you can see the applications that you have deleted from your device. So if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button, and thanks for watching my video.